This is the first core topic, loss of indices. Now I will provide you a series of examples from the basic level to the super hard level. Okay, this is the first question, basic level. We just need to apply this loss of indices. A to the power m times a to the power n. So we get a to the power m plus n. So you can just write down a to the power 3 plus 5. So you get the final answer, a to the power 8. That's it. Now, let's see the second example. For this one, a to the power 7 is divided by a to the power 2. So we just need to apply a to the power m over a to the power n will equal to a to the power m minus n. So what do we have here? A to the power 7 minus 2. The number on the top minus the number at the bottom. So we get a to the power 5. That's it. Now this is the last example for the basic level. Okay, this question, a to the power 3 bracket to the power 4. So what you need to know is a to the power m bracket to the power n. So you can use a to the power m times n to get the answer. So here, a to the power 3 times 4. So you get a to the power 12. That's it.